The coordinate plane pre-6 lesson notes. Linear equation. Take a moment, pause the video, and get the definition that I'm highlighting now of the linear equation written down. Okay, a linear equation is an equation that has ordered pair solutions that form a straight line when you graph them on the coordinate plane. If you look at the word linear, it has the word line in it. Now, a lot of people say straight line. Well, straight line is actually redundant because if it is a line, it is straight. By definition, lines are straight. They don't curve. So, when you have a linear equation and you graph it, you get a straight line on the graph. And it has ordered pair solutions. So, what could a linear equation look like? So, it could look like y equals 2x plus 3. We use this form a lot. That is called slope-intercept form, which we will be talking about a lot in a later lesson. So that's one way a linear equation could look. It could be y equals negative 6x, which means there's no constant added or subtracted on the end. It could have just one variable, like the x equals 4. Or it could look like 4x minus 2y equals negative 6. That's the standard form of an equation. But all of these are linear equations. For each one of them, they have x values and y values, or ordered pairs, that would be solutions for them. So your x values are your input values. In other words, it is what you plug in. Pause your video and get that written down. All right, your y values are the corresponding output values. In other words, it's what you get. And I'll explain more of that in a moment. So your x values are your input values, and your y values are your output values. So you will plug the x values in, and what you get after plugging them in is your y value. So here is an example. So I have the example y equals 2x plus 3. That's a linear equation. I'm telling you now that the ordered pair 4, 11 is a solution to that equation. 4 is the input and 11 is the output. In other words, remember this is an ordered pair, so this would be your x coordinate, this would be your y coordinates. So I'm going to plug the 4 in for the x. So y equals 2, parentheses, plus 3. And inside that set of parentheses, I'm going to put the input value of 4. All right. 2 times 4 is 8, so that would be y equals 8 plus 3. And 8 plus 3 is 11. Notice I got the same thing here as right there. So 4 is my input value, 11 is the output. So the ordered pair 4, 11 is a solution to the equation y equals 2x plus 3. So once again, these are linear equations. The x values are your input values, what you plug in, and your y values are the corresponding output values, which is what you get. All right, if you have any questions on linear equations, please let me know.